Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of research. I know, some of you might be thinking, research? That sounds boring. But trust me on this one, folks. Research is the key to unlocking the universe's secrets, whether it's the cosmos itself or something more grounded here on Earth. Think about the big questions we ask ourselves. How did the universe begin? What is consciousness? Is there life beyond Earth? These questions and countless others can only be answered through rigorous, systematic investigation. And that, my friends, is what research is all about. So buckle up, because in this video we're going on a journey to demystify the research process. We'll be your guide, providing you with a step-by-step roadmap to navigate the world of academic inquiry. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about the world around you, this video will equip you with the tools you need to embark on your own research adventures. Every great journey begins with a single step. And in the world of research, that step is defining your research problem. This is where you identify the specific question or issue you want to investigate. It's about narrowing down your focus, choosing a target for your intellectual curiosity. Think of it like choosing a destination for your research spaceship. Are you aiming for the mysteries of black holes, the search for exoplanets, or maybe something closer to home, like the intricacies of the human brain? Whatever it is, make sure it's a question that truly ignites your passion, because you'll be spending a lot of time with it. Now that you've chosen your research destination, it's time to consult the galactic map. Your literature review is like charting a course through the vast universe of existing knowledge on your topic. You'll dive into academic journals, books, and other reputable sources to see what's already been discovered. This step is crucial because it prevents you from reinventing the wheel. You might find that your brilliant idea has already been explored, or you might discover new insights and perspectives that shape your own research question. Remember, even the most groundbreaking discoveries are built upon the foundation of previous knowledge. With a solid understanding of the existing research, you can now formulate your hypothesis. Think of this as your educated guess about how things work based on what you've learned. It's a testable statement that predicts the relationship between variables. Imagine you're trying to understand why some stars are brighter than others. Your hypothesis might be that a star's brightness is directly related to its size. This statement can then be tested by collecting data on star sizes and brightness. You wouldn't build a rocket without a blueprint, would you? The same goes for your research. Your research design is your master plan, outlining how you'll conduct your study, what methods you'll use to collect data, and how you'll analyze that data. This is where you decide whether you need to conduct experiments, surveys, or perhaps analyze existing data sets. A well-designed plan ensures that your research is rigorous, reliable, and ultimately answers your research question. In many research projects, you can't collect data from every single person or object in your study population. Imagine trying to interview every star in the Milky Way. That's where sample design comes in. You need to choose a smaller representative group from your target population. This ensures that your findings can be generalized to the larger group. Think of it like tasting a spoonful of soup to know if the whole pot needs more salt. This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. Data collection is all about gathering the raw materials you need to answer your research question. This could involve conducting experiments, distributing surveys, conducting interviews, or even analyzing historical records. It's like launching a probe into space to collect data on a distant planet. You've carefully planned your mission, and now it's time to gather the information that will help you unravel the universe's secrets. With your data collection methods in place, it's time to put your plan into action. This is where you execute your research design, collect your data, and make sure everything runs smoothly. Think of it like launching your research rocket. You've spent months, maybe even years, planning and building, and now it's time to see if it all works. It's an exciting but sometimes nerve-wracking stage of the process. You've collected your data, and now you're surrounded by mountains of information. What do you do with it all? This is where data analysis comes in. You'll use statistical techniques and software to organize, clean, and make sense of your data. Think of it like searching for constellations in the night sky. Raw data can seem random and chaotic, but with the right tools and techniques, you can begin to see patterns, relationships, and trends emerge. Now it's time to answer the million-dollar question. Does your data support your hypothesis? This is where you use statistical tests to determine if the patterns you've observed are statistically significant or just random chance. It's like putting your spacesuit on and venturing out onto a new planet. You have your theories, but now it's time to see if they hold up in the face of real-world evidence. Your data analysis has revealed some fascinating insights, but what do they mean in the grand scheme of things? This is where interpretation comes in. You'll connect the dots, draw conclusions from your findings, and relate them back to your original research problem. Think of it like piecing together a cosmic puzzle. Each piece of data is a clue, and it's up to you to assemble them into a coherent picture that deepens our understanding of the universe. You've made it to the final frontier of the research process, sharing your discoveries with the world. This is where you compile your findings into a formal report or presentation that effectively communicates your research journey. Think of it like sending a message back to Earth from a distant galaxy. You've explored uncharted territory, and now it's time to share your newfound knowledge with the rest of humanity. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the exciting and challenging world of research. Remember, research isn't just about dusty textbooks and tedious lab work. It's about asking big questions, pushing the boundaries of knowledge, and using our curiosity to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Whether you're a seasoned scientist or just starting, embrace the journey. Every experiment, every data point, every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop seeking knowledge. The universe is vast and full of wonder, just waiting for you to uncover its secrets.